This clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to diagnose if your switch has failed. What I have done is I have my test light ran to a jumper wire, which is hooked up to the positive battery cable. I've done a little bit of dash disassembly work. You can see I have the shifter panel out of the way and part of the dashboard removed. My fog light switch is located right here, and I have the connector here in my hands. I'm going to check the circuit for continuity in all of the pins that we have. We have continuity here, continuity here, continuity here, and continuity here. That means all the wires have every bit of the integrity that they should have. I'm also going to jumper this pin here. On your particular vehicle, it will have a fog light relay. When you jump positive power to the relay positive feed, you'll hear the relay engage. It'll be a click click noise. If you listen very closely, you will hear it. If you connect to the relay positive input with positive power and you don't hear a clicking noise, that's going to indicate a failed relay. If you have all of your continuity here and your switch is working, that indicates your problem is farther forward, indicating that your lights are actually bad. The bulb's burned out or the lamps themselves have been rusted and degraded.